hope you are all keeping safe and well and the run into Christmas. I just want to bring your attention again to this brilliant calendar. I talked about it last year in a post as well. It is truly beautiful. Eamon Coyle is the photographer. Some beautiful photographs, landscape, towns, villages, gorgeous, gorgeous photographs. I suppose the most important thing with this calendar is that the monies raised go to charity, and in this case the Peter McVerry Trust. And I suppose for people that maybe are not as fortunate as ourselves, that find themselves maybe on the street and homeless this Christmas, this money can make a huge, huge difference. So I know that there's lots and lots of demand on people at this time of year to put your hand in your pocket, but if you could find a few pounds to help with this beautiful calendar and this beautiful charity, it would mean a lot to those people that have nowhere to live and sleep this Christmas. So just wishing you all a very, very happy Christmas and a peaceful new year, and hopefully see you all soon. Thank you.
Have been beaten. The All-Ireland champions are out. They have been knocked out by Donegal. A tactical masterclass by the great Jim McGuinness, and Donegal celebrate because they are heading back to the All-Ireland final.